You have a superpower that you might not know about. The power to make another person glow. In fact, a study found out that we underestimate how someone feels after they receive a compliment. So why not channel your thoughtful side today and let people know that they matter to you with this expression in Nigerian Pidgin English and their English translations. I dey proud of you. I dey proud of you. You dey very special. You dey very special. Wetin I for do without you? Wetin I for do without you? I thank God for your friendship. I thank God for your friendship. You too much. You too much. You get good heart. You get good heart. You sweet die. You be better person. You be better person. I dig you the way you dey. I dig you the way you dey. I dey grateful for you. God bless your hustle. God bless your hustle. You dey inspire me. You dey inspire me. You fit do am now, no be you. You fit do am now, no be you. See your sweet smile. See your sweet smile. Na you biko. Na you biko. Na you now. Na you now. Opo. Opo. E plenty. Opo. E plenty. There's always joy in brightening people's day. Have a good one, folks. See you in my next video. Bye.